Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. I need to add about Ln of number 2. Later that we need to minus about Ln of number 2. So we have the formula in here. So we need to combine everything in here into this one. So we have the second formula in here. So this one, that is about sine of number 2 multiplied by s over number 2, and that is about s. Next, cosine s multiplied by this one and Ln number 2. So the integration of cosine s, that is about sine s. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine s ds. So this one we change for u. Cosine s ds we change for du. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to Ln u. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. dv, that is about du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to u. So we have t multiplied by v. Minus, we have dt multiplied by v. So u divided by u, we have number 1. So we have the integration du. And this one we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine s. So we need to return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.